Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maro's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up TRP Tunnel VPN in all countries for a fast connection, a secure connection, a stable connection. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and updates like this. Don't forget to like the tutorial, and if you get any problem, let me know in the comment section. That is it, and I'm starting up the tutorial. First and foremost, I'm going to open Google Play Store, and once I open Google Play Store, I'm going to search for this application, which is TRP Tunnel VPN. Make sure that you take note of the app spellings, name spellings, the app icon, and the app name, the developer's name, and so on. Download this application in your device, and after downloading it, open. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, and education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Allow all the notification permissions and all permissions that will be requested to you by this application. And make sure that while setting up this application, you have joined their Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates. So you're going to come and skip this beginner tutorial, and then I'm going to be guiding you through on how to do each and everything step by step. First step, I'm going to come where I'm pointing, top left corner on those many slashes, and then tap onto them. Look for what we call online update.
Download this app now and listen to music on your phone.
Update the servers. This method of updating the servers using the online update ensures that you connect to the fastest server available, fastest and stable server available. So after, you're going to come where you see auto select server, and then you're going to choose this one, UDP Hysteria server, which is a premium server. Second, you're going to come right here where you see Kenya, and then you're going to go and then type in, you're going to scroll and look for your country's network. And alternatively, you're going to scroll down and look for this network. Let me show it to you. And if you're not able to spot it, just go and search for UDP. And then you are going to be able to connect to this one, all country UDP. You're going to come and then press the start button, and then you're going to accept the connection request. After, give it some few seconds so that you can be able to establish a secure connection. So if it is delaying, you can stop and start again. And if it delays also, you're going to come right here, you see UDP server, and choose auto select server and press start. Then after, you'll be able to access the fast, a secure and stable connection. If that UDP server does not connect, you're free to go on and look for other countries' server, provided that they are your country's server. For example, I'm going to try to look for Zambia, this one, and I connect to that one. So guys, in Zambia, you can use that one, and other countries you can be able to look for your own. Will be able to look for your own country's network server.
Download this.
I recommend you to use the all country UDP server if your country supports UDP, or to connect to your country's server. And then that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Maro's Tech, and I sign out.